ठीक है। Screen the visual.
हम्म
Okay. So, good afternoon. I have made a project on AI certification website. So, in this project, let me slideshow. Yeah. So, in this project, I am aiming to solve a problem, which is like in today's job market, there are many people who are looking for certifications and trying to show that they have actually worked on the language and tech stack and are capable to work on the job. So I'm trying to make a website which will be like a universal certification platform in which job recruiters or your peers can actually judge and see how much you have accomplished and how much in a particular tech stack or language. So in this website, I will be assessing the users on the level wise basis. Like there is JavaScript, so it will consist of four levels: basic one, basic two, intermediate, and advanced. So a user when he will come on website and wants to gain a certification in JavaScript, he will attempt first basic test, and then if he is able to qualify the basic exam, then he will move on to basic 2. Now he can share other his friends or recruiters that he has basic or intermediate level of JavaScript, so he can work on the websites or anything that recruiter wants to. So this website will showcase these key features, that the test will be AI generated and dynamic tests, such as like user will fill his details, like he has completed uh, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and he is basic level. These are the topics he has completed. So generative AI will actually acquire those data from the database and try to create a test that is designed for him, and it will be a unique test for each user. Next will be multi-level certification. Like I already told you, that if a person completes basic level of JavaScript, he will gain a certificate of that achievement. Then a wide range of tech stacks will be covered, as user can select if he wants to give JavaScript, Java, or anything. Even tech stacks like React and backend too. No, not a problem at all. And in real-time performance analysis, I will give a after test analysis, that where did the user commit mistakes or where he can improve his performance. And this will both come in subscription model and free options too. In free options, I will limit the number of tests he can attempt, like he can only give one time, and in subscription model he can give multiple times so that he can practice. So yeah, this will be the architecture diagram of the project. From let me zoom in. So user will request the test first. Can you actually see the diagram?
हम्म
Hello.
हाँ जूम कर लो थोड़ा सा और इसमें विजुअल भी है
It is visual but not so clear.
Okay. Okay. So now is it visible?
Zoom
Hello.
little bit.
Hello. Is it visible?
It is visible but harder to read the whatever written here. Now it is
Okay.
okay.
Okay. So user will first request the test from front end, and the REST API will call the backend and the generative AI model. From the AI engine, the test will be generated and it will be stored in database first. After that, the questions will be shown on the front end. After that, the user, when he has completed the test and submitted, the the solutions will be first stored in database and then will be checked by generative AI. After checking, if he has passed the test, the certificate will be generated, and if not, the user will be notified he has not passed the test, and he can attempt the test again. So that is the basic concept of this. I will move on to the next slide.
What do you want to store in S3?
क्या
यहाँ पे S3 मैंने देखा ना कुछ.
just a sec.
macOS container
Okay,
Store in S3.
it will be a future deployment model for when I actually implement AWS.
Okay, that's what you are trying to future enhancement, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. For now, the basic I'm trying to implement is till the certificate generation.
Okay.
The
So
model
this
and the
generative
Docker
AI.
one and AWS part is for future.
Okay. Which AI engine do you want to use?
Yeah, so I am thinking of Grok, using Grok as it will run on cloud, and in Grok, Llama or Mistral one, the 7B model. And I will be also implementing RAG so that I can customize the AI to my needs. I'm actually learning it right now. Yeah, so the tech stack will contain Next.js, Tailwind CSS, LangChain and Hugging Face if needed. Grok AI will be the main AI engine, will be the main AI or the source from which I will run Llama or Mistral models on cloud. And Python will be used to, generate prompts, generate data, tests using prompting you know, and Django will be used to connect to Next.js, and yeah, prompt engineering, it is the main thing to generate test. So business plan will be the revenue stream will be generated from the website through paid certification and also multiple tests, so that users can practice the test. So I will give them in subscription model. In the free one, the user will only be able to attempt test one time only. So yeah.
Okay. One thing. What do you
Yeah.
make to think about these projects? Ever you
Hmm?
seen this something like that?
The projects like these similar projects. Are you asking about that?
I'm just asking about what you make this project to be more likely to be done, because you have seen every anywhere, or you just thought first time.
Uh, I haven't seen this project, for now anyway, and I'm trying to complete it, end of the year. This project before the submission thing. So let's move on. So I have also developed Figma UI workflow for now. Front end is currently, being developed, and yeah. Okay, so this is the UML diagram for registration and authentication. This will be a basic authentication using Next.js auth, and this is the AI generated test creation model UML diagram. User will request the test, and using AI engine, the questions will be generated. Test will be shown in the front end, and then the user will attempt the test. After the submission, the solutions that user has attempted will be retrieved and given to AI engine to check if it is correct or not, and difficulty will be adjusted. Difficulty and questions generated will be given at the same time. If the test has to be generated for basic level, it will be written in the prompt that generate a basic test for JavaScript or any language or text that the user has selected.
So it is mainly depend upon the prompt, what are you putting on there, and
Yeah,
the main thing, the llama generator you are gonna use on your project, right?
yeah.
Okay.
So this is the UML diagram for test submission and evaluation. Evaluation part will be mainly generation and evaluation. Evaluation part will be mainly seen through by generative AI model, and after the result, like if he scores above 60% or 70%, we will declare him as a passed and will generate certification for it. And this is the UML diagram for certification. The certificate will be requested through us, and I will create a custom certificate design through which in which the user's name will be there, and it will say which exam he has passed, like JavaScript basic or JavaScript, and it will be sent through the mail of the user. So whenever his user attempts a test, the dashboard will be updated and analytics will be presented to the user in the subscription model. Like if the user has purchased the subscription, he will receive a detailed analytics and will be able to improve more. So I guess this is it. And this is the roadmap. Any questions until now? Uh,
हेलो
yeah. Hello.
आर्यन डन हो गया क्या?
पीपीटी डन है, यूआई दिखा दो. Okay. So this is the first flash screen, and then I will create account, or I can also log in. In login page is this, and sign up page is this. After registration, and then I can attempt test in the test page. This is how it will be shown. Like I can select by clicking drop down. If I want to select tailwind css, no, if I want to select basic, intermediate, or advanced test. So sometimes it will be also there, like beginner 1, beginner 2, and intermediate and advanced. So more than 3 levels can exist, minimum 3 and more than 3 too. So tailwind CSS, like I want to attempt tailwind CSS test. I will start the test, and MCQ questions will be there first. Then programming question will be there. I will also try to implement the ID, but I'm not so sure about that. Then I can submit the test, and it will be done. Then I can return to dashboard. That's it.
If you really want to attach ID onto that, so you can do. There are a lot of support has been provided Uh, in, there are lots of support has been provided if you are making with the React. So there are npm packages are available to integrate
Hmm.
several HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for that.
Yeah.
So you can write your code.
Hmm. ID for IDE, na?
Yeah, you have to create your own, but it is so simple, right? Just
Okay.
use that.
Hmm. Okay. Will be done.
हाँ, ओके, ओके। किसी को और सवाल कुछ आर्यन से? अभिनव? जय?
नहीं।
ओके, ठीक है।